Hindi mo tatapakan ng ibang tao, hindi ka mananakit ng ibang tao because happy people don't go hating on other people,
Yes.
'di ba? Parang you don't have the time.
Kumbaga secured ka na, wala na akong dapat
Oo,
patunayan
pag masaya,
sa inyo.
kung tunay kang masaya, 'di ba? You don't have time to hate on
Hate
other
other
people.
Tama.
Buzz first.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of
Buzz
Buzz First, the podcast where creators, culture, and what's next come first. I'm Cody.
And I'm Jel, and for today, Pride Month episode natin. So let's talk about authenticity, representation, and what it means to be your true self online.
Our guest is a creator, an advocate, and someone who has been inspiring a lot of people, including myself, by just being unapologetically herself.
Yeah! So, let's welcome Rika,
Rika Salomon!
Hello! Hi!
Finally.
Thank you! Sabihin ko na sana si Jel.
Jel.
Siya pala ang guest.
Siya pala.
You're so pretty.
Ay, thank
Super.
you. I know.
Right?
Actually nga na pala. Thank
Super
you so
pretty.
much. Thank you. You're so pretty as well. And you're so
thank you.
gorgeous.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Thank you. Tapusin na natin to.
Yun na pala
Ay,
yun.
ay,
Compliment
Thank you.
lang.
Bye.
Ah, alis na. So now, Rika, what has been keeping you busy lately?
Ang dami ko talagang mga ganap sa life.
Mm-mm.
Like, love life.
Ah,
Wala talaga.
Okay, wala.
Projects. Ngayon, Pride Month talaga. So, like, it's my bread and butter month.
Pukpukan. Pukpukan talaga.
Hindi kasi, of course, maraming talks, maraming mga guesting.
Guesting.
Diba? And maraming events talaga for
Yeah.
Pride. But also, on the daily, I have my very busy schedule of playing sports every day, as your atletang tranena, na every day ako may bagong sport.
Sports.
Volleyball, badminton, pickleball,
Pickleball.
and everything else in between.
Perfect. Talagang busy. And I love na during Pride Month talagang working, hustling, grinding,
Yes.
all of it.
But, throughout the year din naman.
Super sipag. Sada all.
Manifest.
Yeah, perfect.
Love
So,
it. Busy girly siya.
So when people first discover you online, ano kaya yung wish mo that they knew about you beyond your identity?
Na I am so lucky. But
Mhm.
why does she cry?
Britney Spears.
Hindi, I think, wala naman honestly, because when I started content creation, it wasn't really about, like, wanting other people to see me or, like, it really is just me sharing my life. Bahala na kayo kung gusto nyo
True.
makita ang life ko. Yun lang talaga yun.
Mm-mm.
So, everything else, ever since from the dawn of time
Dawn of time?
talaga. Pero ever since then, na nagkaroon ng internet,
True.
sinishare ko na yung buhay ko. Nagsimula yan sa Friendster, Multiply, nare-reveal ang age ko. What's that?
It's fine. It's
pa.
What's
valid.
Friendster?
What's Friendster?
Diba? Ganon. Pero talaga, ever since then, nagpo-post talaga ako ng videos.
And saksi ako dyan kasi ever since 2020, I'm a fan of yours.
Thank you.
Wow.
So lots of my
But
soji.
I wanna share that I
Sure.
started 2006 sa ata.
Love it.
2005.
Bagets pa ako
Kasi
niyan.
Friendster pa nga.
Mm-mm.
Friendster
May
pa ako
content
nagpo-post.
creator na ba nun? That time?
I was the first.
Ay,
Ay,
wow.
the pioneer.
Oh,
The
pioneer pa. OG
Hindi
siya.
naman sa pero like, I posted videos Tapos,
Okay.
I
Gets.
love.
So you're a transgender woman.
yes.
And
Transformer.
Transformer. And aside from that, you're also a content creator, you're also an atleta. So, ano pa yung mga hindi atletang Pinoy. Ano pa yung mga hindi nakikita ng mga tao off-cam? Kasi online nakikita ka namin Very busy
Off-cam,
ka.
I feel like yung mga tao na hindi ako, siguro a lot of people don't know na ako, video gamer din ako.
Yeah.
Malakas ako mag-video games. Nagva-Valorant ako, nagdo-Dota 2 ako. All of that. But I used to also stream like on Twitch and Facebook ng mga gaming streams, ganon. But like, hindi siya nag-fly. And pag nag-game kasi ako, parang hindi ako madada. So parang itigil na natin to.
Tagang focus ka lang.
But that's something that people don't know about me, I guess. But I feel like kasi my life is very much public. I like I talk about my life all the time. That is the whole purpose of my content. I share so much of myself. Yun.
Mm-mm.
Do you think ba mas naging open ka and mas naging confident because of how you express yourself online?
Mas naging confident ba ako?
Or ganyan ka na talaga ever
Yeah.
since?
Ganun na
Ay,
talaga ako eh.
wow,
Makapal na
love
talaga
it.
mukha ko. At filingera talaga ako. Ganon. But para sa akin kasi, it's not about being confident. I just felt na wala lang talaga. Aliw lang talaga sa sarili ko. And sometimes, pag kailangan mo aliwin ng sarili mo, share mo na lang din, di ba? Parang natutuwa sa sarili ko, so gagawin ko to. And bahala na kayo kung i-consume niyo yung content na yan.
So, yun ka na
Yun
talaga
ka na.
ever
Yes.
since?
And then I
Authentic.
started on YouTube also making
Okay.
music videos.
Oh.
So, nagmo-music videos ako dati nila, yung mga Britney Spears,
Yeah.
tapos fini-feature siya sa Rated K, kung
Ay,
ano man,
wow.
ganun. So, like, ang dami ko nang ginawa.
Ang ginawa.
Mm-mm.
MVP na.
Yes. Hindi lang siya nagfa-fly, pero marami na akong
At
ginawa.
least, at least. And siguro growing up, are there still moments where you feel like you're not living your authentic self?
I guess there are times na I'm not naman to say na I'm not living my authentic self, but there are still things that I keep to myself. But
Okay.
that's not to say na I'm not being authentic to myself. I feel like as a person, ever since I was a kinder, I've always been myself, that I never even had to come out to my parents. So parang hindi ko siya na feel na I was anyone other than myself. I grew up like this. Di ko kailangan i-explain ang sarili ko sa mga tao. And that's why I share so much about my life.
Yeah.
Kasi nga parang wala akong tinatago.
I love that you know who you are at a very young age.
Yes.
Very
Mm-mm.
queen things ka doon.
Yes.
Love
Yung
it.
bagong labas pa lang ako, sabi ko na, hey mama,
Diba? Alam na
Ganun na.
agad.
mother.
So, what advice would you give to a lot of people here na hindi makapag-come out or still figuring out kung sino ba talaga sila, ano ba talaga sila?
It's okay. Like, it's okay to not know, it's okay to not come out, but it's
Yeah.
also okay to even not know who you are yet. 'Di ba? We go through life discovering parts of ourselves, and sometimes we think that we know who we are now, and then eventually it will just change, and that's just life. That's just that's also how sexuality works, 'di ba? Na everything is fluid, everything is ever changing. So parang wag mo masyado i-pressure ang sarili mo to figure things out on the get-go. Wag mo rin i-pressure ang sarili mo to come out, especially if you're not ready. It's
Yeah.
okay. Yun lang siguro masasabi ko sa mga tao in the closet and people who are still questioning na hindi mo kailangan i-pressure ang sarili mo. And regardless if malaman mo man lang or hindi, you are valid who you are, and it's okay.
Super. And I think like for context lang kasi I discovered your content in 2020. Oh my God. And during that time, nag-explore pa lang ako sa identity ko. And I think that's the year that I came out as non-binary. So I'm really grateful sa mga content mo before na very about soji knowledge, trivias. And now, of course, I agree nga na fluid yung gender, nag-iiba-iba siya. And currently, I'm trying to, tackle my transness so far. Since, hindi pa naman ako nagta-transition, pero kasi I am a drag artist. So maraming times na napagkakamalan din akong trans. And syempre ako din minsan iniisip ko na, wait, what if nga? So, I'm just really grateful na merong influencers like you who continue to uplift us. Especially kami na siguro hindi pa ganun ka solid yung, identity namin. We still explore. So, yeah. So, representation has improved over the years and malayo-layo na tayo. But definitely, we still have a long way to go. And as a trans woman creator, you've become visible in spaces na traditionally hindi talaga welcoming. Would you agree on that?
Yes. Pero I'd like to also believe na somewhat, 'di ba, we find our safe space online pa rin kahit
Yep.
papaano. So even if it's not like totally 100% positive all the time, we tend to gather around people who are like-minded, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So para I also found a community with our allies and people of the queer community as well. Because of online spaces na nakikita mo sarili mo through these creators and
Yes.
also people who support these creators, diba? So yun.
Do you ever feel na
Miss
responsible?
stiff neck ang ano.
Pasensya.
Pag ano,
Dito kaya ko, pero dito ang buong katawan kasi stiff neck. Yes.
ay, totoo ba? May stiff neck ka?
Oo, sakto lang naman.
Ang funny nun. Anyway, so do you ever feel na parang responsibility sa'yo na mag-represent sa LGBTQIA plus community online?
Yes and no. I feel like, ay nako, kasi ang weird. Parang, hindi ko naman hiningi na maging, to be responsible of
Yeah.
the community, to hold that name. Kasi that's such a huge burden to carry,
Yeah.
ha? Na hawak mo ang
Flag.
flag ng community. Literally, diba? Pero, I never asked to be the representation. Parang, I feel like people just thrust it upon you.
Tap on you.
Hindi, di ba? Parang, hindi ko naman masabi na, I am the representation of the queer. Parang
Oo. Parang ang superior
ayoko
ng
namang
ano yan.
sabihin na gano'n.
Oo.
It's just that, a lot of people would, kunyari, ikaw, Cody, na you felt represented by my videos, di ba?
Yes.
Nakatulong sa'yo yon. So, for people like Cody, na na-inspire sa akin as a person, natutuwa ako sa gano'n. But, hindi ko naman sinabi na ako dapat
Na
na
ikaw
sundan
lang,
mo.
yeah.
Ganon. Parang, siguro, if my story resonates sa'yo, or yung mga sinasabi ko nagre-resonate sa'yo, then I'm glad that it helped you. But, ayoko naman i-claim na this is the epitome of queerdom. The queerness.
Mm-mm.
Ito talaga ang epitome ng maling daan. Ay, wrong! Ayun.
True, very right. Tsaka super dami pang other
Oo.
LGBT
And-
influencers.
And
So,
in all honesty, yung pagiging queer nga, there is no right or one way to be queer.
to be queer, yes.
And that's why yung representation matters, because there is so many different kinds of people in the community that
Mm-mm.
cannot just be represented by one person.
one person. And super lawak ng spectrum. So
Exactly.
gets.
And that's why I just want to add, that's why pag sinasabi nila, yung mga parlor gays, hindi siya representation ng
Mhm.
queer. Parang ng mga bakla, di ba?
Ah,
I also,
why?
hindi, kasi nga, di ba, maraming negative connotations pag parlor gay,
Parlor.
parlorista, gano'n, ang
Oo.
sama ng ano. Pero I also want to say, there's a reason why itong stereotype or these people exist. It's because it is a reality for a lot of us in the community, and it shouldn't be a bad thing to be a parlorista gay. Anong masama doon?
Mhm.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi
Super.
ang daming tao na ayaw nila ma-associate sa pagiging parlorista because for them, cheap, it's ganito, it's demeaning, ganyan. Pero, what's wrong about being parlorista?
There's
True.
nothing wrong
Diba?
naman.
And what's so good about being a queer person who carry yourself a certain way as well, diba? Parang, the way that we express ourselves we shouldn't be ashamed to express ourselves the way that we want to express ourselves. Yon.
Exactly. So, how has your identity influenced the type of content that you create?
Hindi ko sure kasi, again, going back, I create content whatever I feel like. Pag nakita mo yung feed ko, parang, ano ba to? Parang beauty siya, biglang
Random.
nag-horror siya
Iba-iba.
bigla.
Oh,
diba?
random pala siya.
Honestly, I post whatever I feel like posting. Hindi ko sinusundan ang mga peak time, ganyan. Alam mo, hindi ko alam talaga kung content creator talaga ako. Kasi ang serious na content creator talagang may
May
strategy
peak
ka.
time.
Oo.
oo.
You focus
May
on your
schedule.
May plan.
niche. But going back, I have always just been doing me. And then nagkataon na lang talaga na, oh my God, I'm earning for just
Earning
being
na.
myself. I'm
Mm-mm.
earning by whatever I'm posting. Well, okay, thank you.
Thank
Sige,
you.
go. I'll take the money and go.
So,
Pero, yun.
ay, sorry.
Ay, go,
nakat
go,
kita.
go, go.
What do you
Interrupt
think?
me lang.
Interrupt
Ay,
me.
wala.
So, ano yung tingin mong trait or personality ng isang tao na dapat mag-represent online sa community?
Confidence, I'd like to say. Or, I don't know. I feel like for someone in the community, ang gusto ko lang siguro makita sa kanila is just really just confidence and self-love. Yun.
So, pag confident ka, parang you can speak for others as well eh.
Yes, and also I feel like if you are coming from a place na buo ka, na may pagmamahal ka sa sarili mo, masaya ka, hindi ka mananapak, 'di ba? Hindi mo tatapakan ng ibang tao, hindi ka mananakit ng ibang tao because happy people don't go hating on other people,
Yes.
'di ba? Parang you don't have the time.
Kumbaga secured ka na, wala na akong dapat
Oo,
patunayan
pag
sa
masaya,
inyo.
kung tunay kang masaya, 'di ba? You don't have time to hate on
Hate
other
other
people.
Tama.
Mm-mm.
So correct.
And I think hindi lang naman talaga siya nag-a-apply sa mga LGBT influencers.
Yes, in
but
general.
in general.
General,
diba?
yeah.
Kasi especially as a pageant fan, alam mo naman sa mga comment section about Miss Universe related, di ba? Ang daming bashers.
Correct. Ang
So,
daming dada.
Ang daming
diba?
dada. Eh, kung
Tapos pinipinpoint pa yung mga parang flaws ng
Flaws
mga
ng
girls.
girls.
Parang check yourself. Check yourself first.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba?
Hindi nga nila kayang sumali on their own,
Correct.
di ba?
The mere
Tama.
fact that they overcame their fear, 'di ba? Yung pressure and
Oo.
joined that competition, knowing full well how people will receive it. Grabe yung bravery
True.
doon.
That's already a win.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes.
So,
Right.
what changes would you still like to see in the creator industry regarding inclusivity?
Regarding inclusivity, ang hirap naman
Ang
ng
hirap,
tanong.
no?
Oo, regarding inclusivity. Kasi
Inclusivity.
siguro yung change, wala namang change except for the fact that I think just let people be and
Mhm.
just do you.
Yeah. Tsaka
Yeah.
marami na rin kasing brands na talagang open naman, di ba?
Oo, honestly, just be yourself.
Be yourself.
Mm-mm.
Definitely.
Speaking of being yourself, 'di ba? Super authentic mo.
Sipin ko
Pasensya
talaga. Kasi dito ganun lang ako. Dito buong katawan yung umiikot.
super duper, super authentic mo sa sarili mo and sa people online. There are some brands na talagang tatap sa'yo, nag-reach out sa'yo, and opportunities na dumarating sa'yo. Ano yung mga opportunities na nangyari magmula nung talaga, eto ako, I show my true self online. Magmula nung Friendster era mo pa.
Marami naman. I've worked with a lot of brands na ever since I started on TikTok. Kasi sa
Yup,
TikTok lang
sa
naman
TikTok.
ako naging relevant. Kasi yung mga YouTube ko, lang naman yun eh. Pero when I became an influencer or someone of, I don't know, basta when I started getting brand deals na ganun, mga sponsored videos
Mm-mm.
and event guesting, podcast guesting, and everything that comes with being an influencer. Yun yung mga siguro opportunities na nakuha ko when I started content creation. But also, aside from the fact na trabaho siya yung ganon, nagkaroon din ako ng mga instances na where I was invited by universities to give talks,
Give
diba?
talks, yeah.
Tapos, ayun, marami namang mga ganong kind of work. So, natutuwa ako because advocacy-wise, nandun din naman, pumapasok din naman yung kagustuhan ko doon. Tapos, work-wise, nagkaroon ako bigla ng trabaho. Kasi, I grew up being a professional stay-at-home daughter. So,
Ay,
that's
wow.
my true branding. Akala nila, pa-under ko lang yung sa TikTok. Hindi talaga, B. Wala akong
Yun
trabaho, B. Ilang taon ako after graduating, nagmaganda lang
Nagmaganda.
talaga ako.
Prinsesa ka pala.
Oo, thank
sa
goodness
inyo.
talaga, content creation became work.
Oo. And
Mm-mm.
opportunities.
And I don't even treat it as work. Kasi nga, di ba, bahala na, post na lang
Oo.
ako, tapos,
Kasi parang ang random mo, tapos ito yung mga opportunities na minamahal ka ng mga tao
Oo.
just by being you.
Yeah.
hindi ko rin sure kung minamahal ako, pero, mahal ko naman sila.
We love you. We love you, of course.
Perfect. So now, sige, siguro in relation pa rin to inclusivity,
Mhm.
especially in the influencer marketing industry, what is something that you would like to see that agencies do better pa?
Do better.
Or are they already doing great?
I feel like naman, examples like this podcast,
Yep.
check. Para sa akin siguro, sobrang simple lang is, be true to the cause, hire queer people in your agency, siguro.
Right.
If ever you have the luxury to do so, then give back to NGOs, queer, 'di ba? To even to love yourself.
Love
You
yourself.
work with queer people as well, queer organizations. And mga kahit ganun kasimpleng stuff lang yung makita ko from these brands, but also agencies that I've worked with. And ayun na naman, work with creators who are who who contribute positive things to the community, siguro, ganon, diba? Don't work with homophobes.
True. And those na ginagamit lang yung basically queer baiting,
Oo,
di ba?
queer
Yung mga
baiting,
ganun. So,
oo. Gets naman.
May mga ganun palang tao.
yeah.
Really? Queer
Oo.
baiting.
Oo.
May mga naka-work na ata tayo. Pero,
Really?
Yes.
Toot!
Toot. So, yun yung
Speaking of-
nakakasad.
Oo.
Oo, kasi, syempre, ang dami naming very dedicated sa purpose namin, sa advocacies namin sa community. Pero, ang nakakakuha ng spotlight ay yung mga, like, nag-a-act lang as queer for comedy. So, minsan nakakasad siya.
Tsaka at this age, 2026 na, may ganun pa rin. Like,
Ang daming tumatangkilik kasi, like, especially the straight people na
Yeah.
alright.
sa kanila parang hindi ganun kalaking deal. Pero syempre sa community namin,
Yeah,
parang
it's a big deal.
big deal siya.
So, speaking of brands naman, let's talk about brands. Ano yung behavior ngayong Pride Month ng mga brands? Ano yung mga eksena at atake nila dyan?
Oo.
Usually naman, yung mga brands may activation during March where you vlog about the Pride itself or talk about what Pride is for and how their brand ties into that,
Yeah.
etc., etc. So, okay naman siguro yung mga pa-under na mga brands during Pride. Usually, they also have sometimes may mga brands din na nag-hold sila ng mga event where they have a panel interview of people of,
Yes.
of queer spaces to talk about more about Pride,
Right.
diba? So, yun yung mga, I think, magagandang aspects when it comes to these brands working during, like, may pa-under sila during Pride Month. We see those causes. But I've also experienced, like, a brand na understandably, they're very conservative, but they wanted to be part of Pride.
Right.
But their talking points should not be revolved around Pride being a protest, but more focused on Pride being a celebration. Which gets ko naman where they're coming from because they don't want to be political. But I think brands need to understand that Pride is political.
Yeah.
Diba? Pride is a protest first before it is a celebration. So, yun lang naman. Pero gets ko kasi where they're coming from. And you can see it two ways. You can see it as them capitalizing on queerness, diba?
yeah.
Using Pride as, Pero I also like to take it as they're also putting it to mainstream pa rin. So, gusto ko pa rin isipin na kahit pa paano, these people outside of the community will see that these brands support Pride.
Pride.
So,
yeah.
medyo ano tayo, like, I'm not sure where I stand by it, but I feel like it still somewhat does more good than bad. But
bad,
hopefully, we can commit to the cause talaga. Because, I mean, if you want to be part of Pride, then I feel like you should commit 100%. Hindi parang when it's convenient lang for you.
Oo. Tsaka I think dyan din naging trending yung mga memes na parang, okay, during June, ang daming Pride flags nung brand. Pero pagdating ng
After,
July 1, wala na.
Oo, correct.
So, yun yung nakakasad na hopefully, they stand by, their purpose, yung gusto nila, like, forever. Diba? Hindi mo, madali naman.
Parang
So,
may narinig akong topic before. I don't know if you've heard it as well, but may narinig akong topic before from the perspective of a gay person na parang ginagamit ng brands yung
Yeah.
mga gay people pag June. Kasi yun yung
Oo.
magbe-benefit sa
nagbe-benefit
kanila.
sa kanila. Kaya nga
Sa mga
nabuo rin yung
brands.
term na rainbow washing. Kasi, ayun nga, hanggang parang very performative basically
Yeah.
yung ginagawa ng brand.
That's
So,
the right word. Performative sila.
so, in your perspective, what makes a brand partnership feel genuine talaga?
For me, it feels genuine when I see them truly giving back to the queer
community.
community. Two, it's not like I only work with them during June, but I've worked with them throughout the years as well. Three, parang ang hirap naman makita yung genuineness. I guess it all boils down to I just see or I just know that the people that I work with, they are truly allies and feeling ko naman mararamdaman mo
mafe-feel.
yun bilang as a person who works with other people, mararamdaman mo rin naman kung nafe-feel mo lang na parang is this legit or gano'n? Or
True.
they're also open to like there was this one brand nga that told me na ito lang dapat yung topic natin, dapat GVGV. And then when I said no, I spoke up and I said I wanted to tackle this in a more political way, in a more they actually agreed and they
I
liked my
love
point.
it.
Basta i-deliver ko lang daw ng not in an aggressive manner but more of like informational, educational manner. They were open to it. So as long as the conversation is open and they're willing to listen, hindi na sila yung parang dapat ito lang, then I do see na they're very genuine with their
Genuine.
cause as well, 'di ba?
I love na
think that's
nakikipag-negotiate ka sa brands.
Oo.
Gano'n naman din talaga dapat. Speak up for yourself, diba?
Yes. Pero depende naman yun kapag na-feel ko lang. Sometimes parang sige, I'll just say whatever you want me to say para tapos na yung video.
Para wala na mahabang usapan.
Para wala na tayong parang
Pagdidiskusyonan, no?
wala lang revisions, no? Basta susundan ko to, walang revision.
Oo, tama naman.
Pero, from your experience ba, has being a trans woman, na-influence ba yung nakukuha mong partnership? Like,
Ay, hindi
in
ko
what way may
masasabi.
difference ba, if
Hindi
ever?
ko masasagot yan because there was no way for me to compare. Kasi
Gets
nga,
naman.
ever since naman, like, it's me. Yun na yun. So,
ganun.
parang hindi ko naman siya na-feel na parang, ay, dati hindi pa ako trans at ito yung, so, I cannot answer that question kasi I have no way to compare it to.
Sorry, pwede bang i-ask kung kailan ka nag-trans?
I transitioned after high school.
Ooh.
But-
so around anong year, anong age?
I was probably 18. Tapos that was 2010. I'm 34 now. So,
Yes.
thunders na talaga ako.
Uy, pwede pa yun.
Oo.
Bata
Hindi
ka,
halata
bata
ang
ka.
34.
But ever since then talaga, alam ko na. I just never had the words to explain or define what I was going through or how I felt. So, I thought dati, I was just gay. So, dito na natin ipapasok ang Suji SC.
Yeah, perfect.
Ay, itanong mo na.
Kasi off-cam, guys, off-cam, for your context, natanong ko siya if okay lang ba pakitakel din yung
Oo,
LGBTQIA+.
yes. Which is a
Because
very,
I'm very, very curious and hindi kasi ako masyadong knowledgeable but I have a lot of gay friends and gay best friends. So, sorry kung
It's fine.
It's okay. So, ang importante is you're willing to
You're
learn.
open.
You're open to learning. So, that's the first step to being sober.
Iba yun.
Iba pala to. So, basically, when we say SOGI SC, it means sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, and sex characteristics.
medyo mahaba siya. Wait lang.
Carry
I-process
on.
Okay.
natin.
So, sexual orientation. Ano ba ang sexual orientation? When we say sexual orientation, it simply asks the question, kanino ka na-attract? Who are you sexually or romantically attracted to? And that answers whether you're straight, whether you're gay, whether you're a lesbian. Kasi, this is sexual orientation eh. So, yun yung, it involves your attraction to another person, another gender. So, let's say, you are, kunyari, you identify as a woman, you're attracted to another woman, lesbian ka. But if you are attracted to more than one gender, like a man and a woman, you're bisexual. You could be bisexual. Ngayon, if attracted ka sa everyone, wala sa yung kaso ang gender ng isang tao, you can be pansexual.
Okay.
Pag wala naman, asexual ka. So, yun yung mga, yun yung
okay.
parang, merong QN image overlay, gender bread man.
Oo, yan yung gingerbread man. Yun.
So,
Gender.
yun. So, again, sexual orientation, yun yung tinatakol niya is kanino ka na-attract. Pag gender identity naman, ang tinatanong niya, how do you identify yourself as? Tingin mo ba sarili mo babae, lalaki, non-binary?
Non-binary.
So, yun yun. Tapos, expression naman is paano mo in-express sarili mo? In a masculine way, feminine way, or somewhere in between?
Yup.
So, din nanggagaling yung paano yung kilos mo, ano yung mga gusto mo. Yon. Sex characteristics naman, yun yung mas medyo complicated, but basically, yun yung mga tao, dito pumapasok yung mga tao na They could be
Intersex.
biologically
Yeah.
male, biologically female, or sometimes intersex.
Yeah.
So, ang intersex ay mga tao na hindi pasok sa usual traditional characteristics of what makes a man, a biological man, and a woman, a
woman.
biological female. Kasi may mga tao na may different variations of the XY chromosomes. I know information overload.
Yeah.
Oo.
Overwhelming siya.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan. Mm-mm.
Kapit lang.
Yeah, kapit lang.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Gets
Thank
na.
you. Yeah. Hindi siya totally gets, but
Pero, mas nagigets mo lang na
Oo.
sexual orientation,
Yeah.
kanino ka na-attract, gender identity, ano tingin mo sarili mo. Tapos, expression, paano yung
paano
kilos
ka
mo.
manamit, paano,
Oo.
yeah.
Pero dito pumapasok na, kunyari ako as a transgender woman, gender identity ko, tingin ko sarili ko, like I see myself as a woman, therefore I'm a transgender woman, kasi ang sex characteristics ko, I was born a man.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? Pinanganak akong lalaki, I identify as a woman. Kanino ako na-attract? Sa mga lalaki. So, I'm straight. In a sense, I'm a woman attracted to guys.
Guys.
Okay.
Yes.
So, yun yung Soji SC. Mas nagigets mong
Yeah.
kung ganong sense.
Mm-mm. Medyo gets, not totally, pero at
Oo.
least may learnings tayo.
Oo.
Thank
Mm-mm.
you for
Thank you.
that.
Diba? Love it.
Love it. Yeah.
So now, going back to the brands, have you ever turned down a brand collaboration kasi feel mo hindi nag-align yung values ng brand sa values mo?
I've had naman a few.
Mhm.
Oo, na ganun. So, parang pag-feel ko na parang, parang hindi ko masyado feel yung ano. So, pero yung manager ko na yung kumakausap
Ah,
kasi.
okay.
So, siya yung nagre-reject na for me for whatever reason. So, hindi nila alam kung bakit. Manager ko na lang yun.
Oo.
Oo. But yes, I've turned down brands if it doesn't align with what I believe in or what I want to put out
Put out.
there. Ganon.
Okay.
Pero, etong, kasi may kasunod dito sa question
Yes.
about sa pag-support ba ng brands yung Pride Month? Pero parang natakal na natin
Yes.
kanina.
Oo.
Do you think brands are becoming more intentional about working with LGBTQ creators?
I think they have been somewhat intentional with who they work with. So,
Mhm.
I'd like to believe na may mga events na ako pinupuntahan na ang kinukuha nilang panelists ay hindi just because someone is queer on social media, hindi naman ibig sabihin na gagawin nilang
Ganun.
automatically na panel siya.
Panel
So usually the people that they get are really people of the queer community who speak for the community. They've done the work. They are
May credentials
may
talaga.
credentials talaga sila, B. Ganon.
Mm.
So that's why sometimes I also feel intimidated to step in these spaces because nga parang, my gosh, ito, nagsulat ng Soji Bill, tapos ito, ganto. Tapos ako, content creator lang namamaganda sa social media. What's my contribution? But I also, going back with what I said earlier, we all represent something. And
Yes.
we all have a story to tell. And if my story resonates with a few of you, then that's a win already.
Mm-mm. And you definitely deserve the spotlight, the
Yeah,
platform.
super.
Akala
Oo.
ko, "Ay, nandito na ako sa podcast. May platform na.
Diba?
So, how important it is to give creators freedom sa mga stories na sabihin nyo with the brand partnership?
I think it's really important to give them the freedom to express how they want to express and to share their stories. But I do understand on the brand side that they have to somewhat work with the brand also to make it wholesome. Because
Yeah.
we live in a, di ba, corporate setting. Pero ganun naman yun di ba?
Yeah.
So, gets.
So, kailangan nag-a-align talaga.
Oo.
Both
Pero
brands and
yes.
creator.
So, it's important to have that conversation and
Yeah.
to work together talaga.
Kaya nga collaboration.
Collaboration.
Yes.
Love it.
Yan. So
Perfect.
now na marami naman tayong na-discover, na-explore. So we will take a break. Hindi man siya OA na break, pero an icebreaker. So
Yes.
definitely, this is like a fast talk
Okay.
segment. So sabihin mo lang agad kung ano yung naiisip mo sa mga itatanong namin.
On
Okay.
top of mind.
Okay.
Yes.
So,
ready
are
na
you
ba?
ready?
Yes, ready.
Do you feel any pressure right now?
No, I don't feel any pressure right now.
I love it.
Nakabog, ma.
Pride means what?
Protest.
Okay. A creator you admire.
Myself. Mela Habijan na lang.
Okay, same.
Pero I love na sinabi mo yourself.
Oo, I admire
Oo.
myself so much.
Lalayo
I'm
pa ba?
narcissistic that way.
Uy, hindi naman. Porque mahal
Deserve
yung
naman.
sarili.
Deserve naman
narcissist
yun.
na agad.
Oo.
Hindi naman. One thing you love most about yourself.
My audacity. Hindi man lang
Dapat
confidence,
ipatapon tayo dito ng cue
Hindi
card, no?
Hindi confidence, audacity.
Audacity,
talaga.
yeah.
Oo.
Ang random pero ang drag name ko, Tracy Audacity.
Yeah.
So, di ba?
Meant to be talaga.
Perfect.
I
Oo.
have been changed.
Ano? Okay, next. Let's proceed. A misconception about trans people.
That we're men? Or trans women, trans people pala. Trans
in
people,
general.
misconception, we're delusional. We're crazy.
Right.
We're a mental illness.
Mm-mm.
Wrong.
No. Big no. What makes you feel most empowered?
The audacity. Empowered. Siguro the love that I get from my family, from my friends.
Friends,
Yun yung nag-empower
yes.
sa akin. Oo.
Mm-mm.
It's the people na talagang nagsusupport sa'yo ever
Yes.
since, no?
Mm-mm.
Love that for
Okay.
you.
One thing every brand should learn about inclusivity.
Pride as a protest.
Protest.
Mm-mm.
One
Perfect.
word you'd use to describe your content creator journey.
Random.
Random!
Serendipitous.
Serendipitous!
Oo, wala.
Wait lang, ano meaning nun?
Di ko rin alam eh.
Random nga siya.
Lucky na lang.
Oo, yun pa. Mas madali ma-explain yun.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Parang my content creation journey, serendipitous in a way na it just, everything came to place na
Mm-mm.
sobrang nagkataon lang na nag-work siya. Na
Yeah.
sobrang, in a very, very random way, it worked and it still works. So
Yeah.
parang, it's serendipitous kasi parang right place, right time, right moment, yun.
Perfect
And right
talaga.
people na talagang support sa'yo.
Yeah.
Super inspiring ng
And the right
story
time
mo.
of my life also. So parang, okay,
Aligned lahat.
aligned.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Pag
corporate.
para sa'yo talaga. no?
Yes.
Yeah,
So, word of the
love
day is
that.
serendipitous.
Yes.
Yes. Comment down below. Spell natin
Spell
yan.
natin, yeah. Ano ba spelling niya?
Puma. Love it.
May pa Q&A tayo dito.
Mm-mm. So, ayun. The internet often rewards trends, but of course, people remember stories. And, of course, your story will inspire more people beyond the community. So, now, well, siguro, tapos na tayo dun sa quick fire
Icebreaker.
segment natin. Pero na-curious ako going back dun sa sinabi nyo when it comes sa misconception, like yun sa pagiging delusional.
Mhm.
Kasi there are times na may trans, basta may LGBT friends would joke about, like let's say may trans friend kami, tapos sasabihin na, uy, nakalaklak na naman ng pills yan, uy, yung hormones na naman yan kapag nagliligalig siya. So, I wonder if offensive ba siya sa inyo? Yung mga ganong jokes na parang, uy, yung hormones or yung pills na naman.
Hindi ko masi. Pero kasi, usually, yung mga comments na ganito, jokes na ganito, it
Jokes.
comes from our fellow sisters lang din naman.
Oo.
So, parang I wouldn't take offense kasi it's a running joke, di ba?
Yeah, running joke
Iba siya
naman
kapag siguro outside or
Kung sa
community.
straight.
But then, I wouldn't take offense. Ewan ko eh. Mahirap ako tanungin
Mahirap.
dyan because I don't take things too seriously.
Seriously.
If I get like jokes or hate comments masyado, parang like, okay, go.
Go lang.
Haha.
It
Ha,
depends
ha.
siguro sa deliberation.
Oo, siguro
Kung
how they
paano
deliver it.
yeah.
But, ewan ko eh. Ako, I go about intention.
Yeah.
If the intention is
Perfect.
not that malicious, not that parang go.
Go lang.
Oo.
Okay.
Love that for you. So,
problem.
super good vibes mo lang, no?
Yeah,
Oo,
super
GBGB
positive,
lang.
yeah.
She's so lucky, but why does she
She
cry?
cry.
So, ano sasabihin mo kay younger self mo? If ever
Oo nga.
nakikinig siya ngayon.
Tigil mo na, B.
Pagod ka na.
Younger self, I would just say, keep it up, go.
Mm-mm.
Oo, kasi wala naman akong gustong baguhin. Siguro na lang, invest on the guys na akala mong hindi siya gagwapo, pero magbo-bloom yan sa college proms talaga.
Get.
Manero!
Gets.
Let's cut that. Wala wala naman talaga. Honestly, to my younger self, go, you're doing a great job. Huwag mo masyado i-pressure sarili mo.
And I'm sure naman na your younger self is so proud.
Yeah.
Because the younger self is me. I'm the younger self.
Ay,
Oo.
oo nga naman.
You're
If you
still
take it that
young,
way,
Yes.
love it.
Magdedebo pa lang ako next week.
Sama ako, ma. So now, what has your journey taught you into becoming the woman that you are today?
I'm still becoming. Siguro yun yung masabi ko sa journey ko na I don't know. Like I said, we go through life not figuring things out as we go. So like I am still becoming. I'm a woman now, but I'm still becoming the best version of myself. I don't want to claim that this is the best version of myself kasi feeling ko
Meron
Meron
pa.
meron
pa.
pang itataas
Oo.
pa, di ba? So, yun na naman.
May aangat ka pa in the future,
Yes.
for sure.
May maaangat buhay pa tayo.
Yeah.
Ay, love
political
it.
revelation
Diba?
pala.
Perfect lang. Perfect.
Iba na
Ito.
pala yun. So, since Pride's month, tama ba? Pride month. Pride's month. Since
Demon month.
Pride,
Yes,
Yeah,
demon daw.
Pride demon.
Demon. Yung mga meme
so
na yan.
since Pride month ngayon, what's something you hope the next generation doesn't have to struggle through anymore? Yung mga struggle na naramdaman mo before or nasaksihan mo before.
I honestly just want the future generations not having the need to come out. I feel like that's the pinaka basic siguro
Yeah.
because 'di ba, we shouldn't have to explain or even justify who we are to other people. Parang just let it be. So siguro yun yung parang sana mangyari.
Gets. Pero alam,
Or
share
sana-
ko lang, meron akong napanood online sa TikTok na nag-come out siya dun sa father niya.
Oo.
And ang response ng father niya sobrang nakakaiyak. Ang sabi niya lang, thank you anak ka. I don't know kung bakit thank you yung sinabi nung nung father. Pero may nakita ko sa mga comment section na baka nagpapasalamat kasi nagsabi siya ng totoo dun sa father niya. I don't know.
Or maybe because I've always believed, I said this before, na I understand the word coming out is important for other people.
Yeah.
Pero ako, I've said this before, na instead of coming out, we invite people
In.
So
Yes.
like, yun yung parang for me, because when we invite people in, we have the power, we hold the power to decide who gets to witness or be part of our truth, 'di ba? So siguro kaya siya na thank you na maraming salamat na pinapasok mo ko sa mundo mo. Hindi siya yung power na, kasi when we come out, it's like we're asking other people to, this is who I am, please accept me.
Yeah.
Pero when we invite people in, this is who I am. Nasa sayo na kung tatanggapin mo ako or
Tatanggapin
hindi.
mo.
So siguro nandun yung thank you kasi nga parang salamat na sinabi mo sa akin yung truth mo because I
Yeah.
know that truth, who you are, is it's very sensitive, it's very important. And maraming salamat na you trust me enough to hold that truth, to be part of your life. So, baka kaya siya ng thank you.
And it hits close to my heart kasi I've been doing drag for like 3 years already. Pero during those years, hindi ko pinapakita sa magulang ko na nagda-drag ako. Like, wala silang alam. Pero recently, after ng gig ko last Saturday, naging curious na talaga sila. So, pinakita ko na yung drag, like, pictures ko and all. And I'm grateful na positive naman yung reception. So, yun, na-feel ko naman na love nila ako. Like, akala ko kasi papalayasin ako. Pero I'm thankful na, yun, tinanggap nila ako, finally. So, ayun lang.
Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun.
Random
Ayun.
queen nga siya. Alam, paiyak na ako dito.
Diba?
Tapos bigla siyang kumanta.
Kaya, ay,
My
oo.
goodness.
Kaya yung super happy. Like, hindi na ako nag-expect masyado. So, kung ano man maging opinion nila, go. Pero I'm thankful.
Hindi mo ba na-feel na iba talaga if yung nagka-come out ka kesa sa pinapaalam mo na lang sa kanila na ito ako, di ba?
Iba din. Iba yung feeling. Very, very magaan.
Free.
Free.
Very
special.
free.
So, ayun lang.
Tapos parents mo yun. So, for sure, proud na proud sila sa'yo.
Oo. Manunood sana sila sa Sunday.
Oh,
pero
cute.
busy lang eh. Pero ayun nga. At
Sana
least.
makapanood sila.
Oo.
next
Tapos yung mga
time.
future conversation, dapat kasi ginalingan mo yung pagli-lip sync mo. Ay! Napasok
Ganyan
na nga.
nga.
Tapos, ay, ano ba to?
Actually, medyo, may ganyan silang question na parang, huy, magbawas ka pa kaya ng timbang para mas maging plakado yung makeup ko. Ginawa ko na, okay lang yon.
Teka lang ha.
Diba? Wait lang. Pero okay na yung mga ganong comments kaysa negative na binabash ako. So, ayun, thankful lang. Siguro, what do you hope young LGBTQ people watching this episode take away from your story?
Just be yourself and wag mo masyado i-pressure sarili mo to figure things out. And honestly, kaya mo yan, be. Malakas tayo.
What kind of impact do you hope your presence and work leave for others in the community and in the industry?
Fourth impact.
Ay, sana active pa sila.
Sana masaya sila.
Diba? Yun na lang.
Impact, siguro, hindi, such big words yan sa akin. Ang sa akin lang talaga is, I hope yung mga videos ko, yung mga stories ko, or yung mga pinagpo-post ko, sana natutuwa kayo, na-inspire kayo, or kung ano mang nakukuha nyo sa videos na yon, yun na lang. Kung sana positive. Sana walang negative doon. Negative. Pero, if there's anyone that you should draw your strength from, it's honestly from your support system and sa sarili mo. Para I feel like we need to understand that we also have the power to change the direction of our lives and also to somewhat be strong and resilient.
So we have the power, definitely. So actually,
like fourth impact.
Again, whenever you are, wherever you are, stay
hello.
there. So, parang tapos na yung questions. Pero I would still like to ask more.
Oo, sige, go lang. Kasi alam kong kailangan natin extend ang time na to.
Diba?
Sorry ang dami namin questions.
Hindi, go lang.
Wala na to sa script actually. O go.
Ay, sige. Eme lang.
Kamusta yung, siguro, ano ba? Yung relationship or connection mo towards other queer content creators? Like, yung mga, especially yung mga bago, if may mga nagiging friends ka sa kanila, like, kamusta naman?
Natutuwa ako because there are actually a couple of mga content creators na in the trans community who reached out na I inspired them to transition, to come out as trans because of my videos. Similar to what you shared.
Yes.
So, nandyan, kunyari si Jamie, anak-anakan ko naman si Jamie. Tapos si Jella, nandyan din si, I forgot her name, oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Pero mga trans nenes talaga, na medyo may following na sila sa TikTok. Tapos, kasi nangyari yan, yung finollow ko sila, kasi natutuwa ko sa content nila na very educational. Bigla, nagme-message sila back na parang, oh my God, Miss Rika, you followed me. I just wanna share na. Tapos ako parang, ay, grabe naman
diba?
ang impact ko
may
dito.
Impact na.
Parang, talaga, I created this? Ako talaga, nanay talaga.
Oo, nanay ang atake.
Parang talaga, parang kasi na-inspire ako sa kanila, yung the way that they carry themselves, the things that they have achieved as trans women, and also how they even respond to transphobes also. Parang, ay, ang talino naman nito. Tapos only to know na, 'di ba, I inspired them also to be brave enough to stand against these people, 'di ba? So parang doon ko nakikita na parang grabe yung mga simpleng story time ko lang, simply showing up for myself and whatever I do, taking up space, parang doon ko na feel na representation does matter.
Yeah.
Even if you feel like wala ka na-inspire, you actually do.
Meron at meron.
May impact ka talaga sa bawat isang nanonood.
Yes. Ako ang fifth member ng
Fourth
impact. Fifth impact naman.
Yes.
May times ba na parang napapagod ka din when it comes to, being vocal of your opinion, especially kapag nababasa niyo yung mga bashers like sa comment section. Parang napapagod ka na mag-speak up kasi meron talagang hate. Ganun.
I think ngayon, hindi naman sa napagod na ako. It's just that for the past, 4 years siguro, Kasi yung parang this year, hindi na ako as vocal. 4 years, paulit-ulit na lang ang sinasabi ko na I explained Soji SC.
Oo, yun.
Diba? Like,
Madalas.
paulit-ulit ako explaining the misconceptions, what Soji Bill is. Parang, I feel like a broken record na paulit-ulit ko siyang sinasabi. And I feel like yung followers ko, sawang-sawa na of me posting not naman posting the same video, but like, it's a different video, but same lang ang sinasabi ko. Parang, that's why that's why yung nakikita ko nga yung mga trans nenes now na, you know, talking about these things.
Yeah.
Parang nakita ko na parang, it's good to see finally na more and more people are speaking up. Kasi parang there was a time siguro na parang I feel like ako lang pinaka-vocal siguro.
Gets.
Ako lang nangaaway. Pero at least ngayon, marami na nangaaway.
Marami na.
Away talaga.
Diba?
But, hindi naman sa napagod ako. It's more of like parang, I don't know what else I can add to the plate when I've already like dished it out. But there are still times that I still post these educational content. Like recently, I talked about the difference of being pansexual and bisexual.
Yeah.
Yun.
So to end this podcast, sorry, patapos na kasi
Yes.
padilim
Oh,
na
ay,
rin.
patapos na. Oh my God.
Aww.
Sayang naman.
So, pwede bang i-share natin kung anong importance talaga ng Soji Bill? Bakit pinaglalaban natin na maipasa to?
Oo.
Well, until now kasi wala pa rin talagang equal rights ang queer community, the LGBTQIA+ community. So, it's not like we have the right to marry. It's not like all these things. But also to say, wala sa Soji Bill ang marriage equality. And that's the biggest misconceptions that people have when it comes to the bill, that they think na once the bill is passed, pwede na magpakasal ang mga bakla. Pero again, wala doon sa Soji Bill ang marriage equality bill. Wala pa doon. Ang binabantayan lang ng Soji Bill is being protected under the law when it comes to Soji-based discrimination.
I love gay people kaya, super. Ang dami kong gay friends talaga.
Pero tandaan mo, hindi ka rin nila mamahalin back.
Ay,
Kasi mga babae tayo, mga lalaki ang hanap nila.
True.
lahat
We
nga
learned
sila
the hard
lalaki.
way. Asa lagi na-fall sa mga bakla. Wrong.
Oo.
Ay,
Kita ko nga yung content nyo na nakaraan
Hindi
dyan.
tayo target market.
Ala, ito na.
Need to learn.
Last question na.
Oh.
Directly to that topic.
Mm-mm.
Okay lang ba?
Oo naman.
So, right now, kamusta naman yung heart mo?
Okay naman yung heart ko.
Talaga ba? May nagpapatibok?
Oo naman. Meron.
Sana lalaki. Okay
Pwede.
naman tanong na ganon?
Pinoyhen niyo pala. Oo, lalaki, of course.
Oo.
Love that for you.
Yes, love you, Woofy.
Woofy yung tawagan nyo?
Oo, wifey yung tawag niya sa akin.
Ay, oo.
Ang cute na.
Sana all naman, ma.
Oo, pero
Bakit Woofy?
pero hindi naman kami. Pilingera lang.
May hobby ka.
Wala. May hobbies ako. Wala akong
Yun na
hobby.
lang. Pwede na
Sige,
yun.
cut na natin yun doon.
So, ayun, I think today's conversation reminds us that identity isn't something that limits people. It's something that adds depth to lots of our stories.
And when creators are empowered to show up authentically, that's when real meaningful connections happen.
Kaya naman, this Pride, let's go beyond visibility. Let's celebrate who we are. Magpakatotoo lang tayo. Ayun lang yon. Kaya, thank you so much, Mother Rica, for sharing your journey, your experiences, and insights with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dami
What a
ko
very
natutunan ngayon.
Yes, ang dami nating serendipitous
Serendipitous
moments.
Yes.
Perfect.
Additional sa knowledge ko yung serendipitous.
Yes, serendipitous.
Yes.
And to everyone watching and listening, thank you so much dahil nandito na kayo sa episode. Pang ilang episode na natin to, guys? 5 na.
5. Or,
Oh.
we don't know.
Wag na daw sabihin.
We don't know.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys.
so
Thank you so
much.
much, Rika.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're so honored.
So
talaga
honored.
nandito ka.
Kaya naman, thank you for joining us for another episode of
Buzz
Buzz First! And Happy Pride, everyone!
Happy Pride!
Happy Pride!
Have a very
Bye, guys.
serendipitous pride.
Perfect! Absolutely. Yes. Bye!
Buzz First.